So today I'll be showing you how to allow apps or how to enable apps on the cover screen of your Galaxy Z Flip 7. So simply swipe up, or rather just open up the phone, and then you want to go into settings. Under settings, scroll down to advanced features, tap on that, and then go to labs, tap on that, and then you will see apps allowed on cover screen. So you want to enable that, and then you can always tap on that and see which specific apps you want to allow. So this has to be enabled, and then you can go and enable some apps and disable some. So for instance, you can turn off WhatsApp if you want privacy and also messages, and then you can leave maps and YouTube. Now keep in mind that you're not going to see all the apps for this particular section, but the ones you've currently enabled should now be available. So let's have a quick look. So once you open that, then swipe across the widgets, there's going to be a new window where you can access Google Maps and YouTube. So let's open Maps. There you go. And you can do most of the stuff you would do normally. And also YouTube is right there. You can scroll and watch videos right from the cover screen. Okay. Now, I'm going to go back to that settings page, because if you scroll down a bit more, you will see the option called Get Multistar. Now, this allows you to add all apps that you'd like on the cover screen. So let's go ahead and tap Get Multistar. This is basically a module, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and install this module from the Galaxy Store. So this is going to be available for all regions, okay? This is not region locked like Good Lock and some other stuff. So once it's installed, you'll not be able to launch it from here, okay? Once it's installed, you'll now go back to that settings page and tap on Get Multistar again. And now this is going to open this launcher widget. So this widget is going to be added to your cover screen, and it's on this widget that you can add applications. So let's add some apps. This is basically a list of all the apps installed on my Galaxy phone. So for instance, I can add Instagram, I can add Google Home, Gmail, I could add my gallery as well in there. Let's add as many apps as possible. I'm going to put my chess clock there, my calculator up. What else? My chess game. Let's try even a game, okay? Of course, YouTube is already there. Instagram is there already. Let's put something else like Samsung Notes. I'm gonna add Steam there, Spotify. I think that's enough, okay? And say Uber Eats, okay? So with all these apps added there, I can now hit the back button. And now when I go to my cover screen, I should have a new widget window for Multistar. So I'm gonna swipe. These are the apps we previously added. And we might have forgotten to enable it. So let's go back to that page. Make sure you tap on Enable Launcher Widgets. Okay, and then select where you want it. So we're going to add it on its own page, but you want to scroll down and look for Multistar, tap on it, select how you want the launcher to look like, either like this or like this. I'm going to select this one, and it's going to get added on its own page like that. And then now I can hit the back button, and now I can go back to the cover screen and have a look. So let's unlock, swipe. Now we have a whole launcher page courtesy of Multistar. And from here, I can launch any app. I can launch Spotify from the cover screen. There you go. I can launch, let's go back. I can launch my calculator application. I can launch my Google Home app. Now the problem is, if you don't have the main screen controls enabled, you'll not be able to go back. So let me show you something else you can do. You can go back to that settings page, and if you go back one step, you might want to enable use main screen navigation on cover screen. So enable that. Now once you enable that, then it means whenever you're on the cover screen, you can go back, you can move forward. You just have more control over the things you can do. So for instance, if you open an app like this one and you want to go back, you just slide like that and it takes you back. Okay, so that is basically how to add all apps to the cover screen of your Galaxy Z Flip 7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.